Hey, what's up everybody? It's Erasto. Winter's coming whether we like it or not. And you know what that means, snow, ice, and salt. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your car prepped for winter, so you can laugh in the face of Mother Nature. Trust me, you do not want to be that guy or gal broken down on the side of the road with the wind howling and the snow coming down sideways. In this video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive checklist to ensure your car is prepared for winter driving. First things first, we got to make sure you're good to go where the rubber meets the road. We're talking tires, people. You need good tread depth to grip the road in snow and ice. Grab a penny, Lincoln's head down, and if you can see all of Honest Abe's head, you need new tires, my friend. And don't forget to check your tire pressure. Cold weather makes the air in your tires contract, which can make your pressure drop. You can find the proper PSI on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Trust me, they make a world of difference. Next up, let's talk visibility. When it's snowing or sleeting outside, you need to be able to see clearly. First, check your wiper blades. Are they cracked, torn, or leaving streaks? If so, it's time for a new set. And while you're at it, fill up your windshield washer fluid with winter-rated fluid. Nobody wants to be caught in a blizzard with a dirty windshield. Now let's talk about your battery. Cold weather can really zap its power, so it's important to make sure it's in tip-top shape. Start by cleaning any corrosion off the terminals with a wire brush and some baking soda. Then use a voltmeter to check the voltage. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. Remember, a dead battery in the middle of winter is a recipe for disaster. Before we hit the road, let's make sure all your fluids are topped off. This includes your coolant, engine oil, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's talk about being prepared for the worst-case scenario. Every car needs a good emergency kit, especially in the winter. You never know when you might get stuck or stranded, so it's best to be prepared for anything. Visibility is key in the winter, so let's make sure all your lights are in working order. Check your headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. A little toothpaste and some elbow grease can work wonders. When it comes to winter driving, good brakes are absolutely essential. If you hear any squeaking, grinding, or feel any vibrations when you brake, it's time to get them checked out by a professional. Remember, you want to be able to stop safely, especially on slick winter roads. Your car's belts and hoses are vital to keeping everything running smoothly. Cold weather can make them brittle and prone to cracking, so it's a good idea to have them inspected by a mechanic. Your car's battery and charging system are put to the test during the winter months. A mechanic can perform a load test on your battery to see how well it holds a charge under stress. This is especially important if your battery is a few years old. You might think coolant is only important in the summer, but it's just as crucial in the winter. Coolant contains antifreeze that prevents the water in your engine from freezing and cracking the block. A repair shop can flush the system and refill it with the correct antifreeze for your vehicle and climate. Having your tires properly aligned and balanced is important year-round, but it's especially crucial in the winter. A tire shop can make sure your tires are properly aligned and balanced for optimal performance. When the temperature plummets, you want to make sure your vehicle's heating system and defroster are working effectively. You don't want to be stuck in a blizzard with a car full of ice. Your car's suspension takes a beating during the winter months, especially if you live in an area with potholes and rough roads. Having the suspension inspected for worn-out components, such as shocks, struts, and bushings, can help ensure a smoother, safer ride. Plus, it can save you money on costly repairs down the road. So, there you have it, guys. That's your complete checklist for getting your car winter ready. By taking care of these simple maintenance items, you can hit the road with confidence, knowing you're prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips and tricks.